Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Healthy Cravings. Ako si Marge and I am glad that you are here watching. And ngayong Friday, we are so blessed dahil nabigyan ng ating channel, the Healthy Cravings, ng privilege to prepare the snack for these young people. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and follow along for more recipes and updates. Let's go! So, una nating gagawin ay balatan at hatiin into 4 itong 10 kilograms bananas. And then we are going to wrap it beautifully into this half egg wrapper. And one tip na natutunan ko dito sa pagbabalot ng bananas ay gamitan ng tubig at the end of the wrapper para magdikit and para hindi magbukas pag piniprito na ito. Let's keep wrapping. Ang lulutuin natin ngayon ay ang Bananarama inspired by Mang Toots. Now, let's fry yung mga binalot nating bananas. Ang recipe natin ngayon ay Bananarama na inspired ni Mang Toots. Kailangang i-deep fry itong mga wrapped bananas hanggang maging golden brown. I believe this is the best golden brown we can achieve. So, hanguin na natin. Yes, these are perfect. Golden brown and crispy. Now, to make a Bananarama, kailangan gumawa tayo ng sweet syrup. Una, i-heat natin ang butter. Gumamit ako ng 1/4 nung whole butter. Margarine is also a great option here to replace butter. Let's cook in jackfruit. At dahil hindi jackfruit season ngayon, gumamit tayo ng bottled jackfruit. And I believe same yung quality niya except that it is already coated with syrup or sugar. Dagdagan natin ng 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder. And let's add a teaspoon of banana flavor. Let's add sesame seeds. Yung amount ng sesame seeds and langka ay nakadepende sa inyo. I just suggest na huwag nyong i-overdo. Maglagay tayo ng 2 tablespoon rum. Naniniwala ako na tinawag ni Mang Toots itong banana rum dahil nga ang isa sa mga major ingredient ng syrup ay rum. Magdagdag tayo ng 1 cup pineapple juice. Yung pineapple juice na ginamit ko dito ay yung nakalata sa malaki, more than 1 liter. Then finally, maglagay tayo ng 1 cup brown sugar. Then let's just keep stirring it until maging malapot ito. At kung ito ay nagbabubble na and sticky, this is the perfect time na idagdag yung wrapped bananas. Naglalagay tayo ng about 40 to 50 pieces of turon doon sa measurement ng syrup na ginawa natin. Ihalo lang siya ng ihalo hanggang maramdaman nating dumikit na yung syrup sa wrapped bananas and then sticky na siya. I think this is the perfect cook of this banana rama. Alright, so ipi-plate natin itong first set na niluto natin. Ito ay isa-serve per table mamaya after ng program ng mga kabataan. Alright, it's time to taste. I would say it's perfect. Kung nakaabot kayo sa part na to, I really appreciate you being here, watching, and I hope you could continue to the end and not skip ads. Itutuloy natin yung paggawa ng syrup to coat the remaining banana wraps. And ang gagawin natin para mas madami tayong makoat ay dodoblihin lang natin yung amount ng ingredients na ginamit natin kanina. let's continue coating the remaining wrap bananas with the sweet syrup that we are making. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood, and check the end of this video for the ingredients list. Just one thing to consider when we prepare these sweets is to eat moderately. As the saying goes, sweet is good in moderation. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Sabay-sabay tayong magluto para sa mga kabataan sa church at campuses at sa mga pamilya sa community na ating binibisita. God bless!
Tara na! Sarap guys!
Ay! Sorry po.
Sarap! Guys, ang sarap guys! Sarap Ate Marge! Kukuha pa ako mamaya!
Very yummy.
Very yummy guys. Taste it. Lapit.